Alright, this video comes from section 5, topic 3, and we're going to talk about solving quadratics by factoring. Alright, so quadratics are written in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. Alright, so if we're talking about the a term, that's going to be the one that's squared. The b term is to the first power, and c is referred to as our constant. Alright, so the way that we do factoring is by using the area model. Alright, so this is a trinomial, alright, and what we need to do is turn that trinomial into a binomial. Alright, so we're going to have two binomials whenever we finish this off. Alright, so here we go. The squared term always goes in this top left box, and the constant always goes in the bottom right box. Alright, then in order to find these two middle boxes, what we need to do is find two numbers that multiply. Alright, multiply to give us 15 b squared. Alright, but whenever we add them up, alright, when we add them, they need to give us 8b. Alright, so what are some numbers that can give me 15? Well, 1 times 15, alright, but that will not add up to give me 8. I can also do 3 times 5, and if I add 3b plus 5b, that will give me 8b, and 3b times 5b gives me 15b squared. So I can use those, and the order that you put these numbers into the box does not matter. You can put them in either one. Alright, so let's go ahead and factor this out. So along this top row, here, b squared and 3b, their common factor is just b. Alright, on the bottom row, 15 and 5b share a common factor of 5. Alright, this first column here, they share a b, and this second column over here shares 3. Alright, then we just get our binomials, b plus 5 times b plus 3. Alright, and we can apply the zero product property to this, where we can set each of these binomials equal to 0, and I'll do that here. B plus 5 equals 0. So if I subtract 5 from both sides, b equals negative 5. Set the other binomial equal to 0, b plus 3 equals 0. Subtract 3, and b equals negative 3. Alright, so in this case, b, the coefficient of b was equal to 1. Alright, but now we have a coefficient that is greater than 1. Alright, so we can still do the same thing here. Set up our area model. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, again, the first term will go in that top left box, and then the constant will go in the bottom right box. Alright, so we need to get two numbers that are going to multiply to give us 30f squared, and they're going to add to give us 17f. Alright, so 1 times 30 will not give us 17 if we add it. If I do 2 times 15, that would work. Alright, so 2f plus 15f gives me 17f, and 2f times 15f gives me 30f squared. Again, the order of the numbers does not matter. Alright, and we'll factor it in all 4 directions. So my top row, they share a 2f. Alright, my bottom row shares a 3. My left-hand column shares a 5f. And then my second column, it looks like they don't have anything in common, but they always share a 1. Alright, they always share a 1. So let's go ahead and check our work. We've got 2f plus 3 times 5f plus 1. Alright, we're going to use the zero product property again. So 2f plus 3 equals 0. We'll subtract 3 and then divide by 2 to get f by itself. So f equals a negative 3 halves. Do the same thing for the other one. 5f plus 1 equals 0. Subtract 1 from both sides and then divide by 5 to get f by itself. F equals negative 1/5. Alright, so that is how we factor using the area model. Alright, if you have any questions, post them in the comments. And also post your name in the comments so I can make sure I give you credit for watching the video.